through Thursday. Dry high time returns for the weekend with another chance of rain for the beginning of next week. The following is a statement concerning strong winds for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina. Wind advisory in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. West winds 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? In North Carolina, Surry and Wilkes counties. In Virginia, Amherst, Bedford, Patrick, and Franklin counties. When? Until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: the strongest wind will be along the crest of the Blue Ridge, mainly between 3 a.m. and 11 a.m. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects, including holiday decorations. The following is an urgent high wind statement for the following counties in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe and Watauga, and Grayson, Virginia. High wind warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? In North Carolina, Allegheny, North Carolina, Ashe, and Watauga counties. In Virginia, Grayson County. When? Until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Roads may be blocked by downed trees and power lines. Additional details: the strongest wind will be mainly between 3 a.m. and 11 a.m. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the northwest mountains of North Carolina, including Boone.